Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm 38 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Ba Vì. Nice to meet you. Today we will review bus, bike, car, and motorbike. Now let's learn. What is it? It's the bus. It's the bus. 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 What is it? It's the bike. It's the bike. 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 What is it? It's the car. It's the car. 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 What is it? It's the motorbike. It's the motorbike. 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 Now the lesson is over. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.